Yo, what up, stream? Nope, we did Asian last night. Matter of fact. Hello, hello. So, thinking possible EG. Some EG buys if we break above this bearish candle here. And then if this 30-minute on GJ closes bearish, sell it back to the low.
I'm looking at the GJ as well.
Yeah, if it goes bearish, that'd be setting up nice. And EG, if we break that high, if we look at the 1 hour, bullish, clean traffic, maybe a wick fill. 4 hour, bullish. So daily's currently pushing bullish. Looks like, yeah. Not the best movement, but I think we can at least get back up to daily resistance up there. Kind of get up to here. On the 30. Yeah. Up there. What up, Dorian? How's it going? What up, Mike? Ash, Andres, Raul, Leonard, or Leonard, Mohammed, Nick. Hello, hello. Just waiting right now. EG and GJ are kind of what I'm looking at today. So we'll see what happens in these next 17 minutes. What up, Keys? Yeah, hopefully not. Hopefully not. Yeah, cough's getting a little better. I've been actually sleeping at night, so I actually have some energy uh, in the morning too. Alright, relay, we'll pull this up. Perfect. You broke above here. Looks like you got in. Stop there. Risk free. Taking it to the top. Solid. Yeah, I got a banger on now. That's how we're gonna go into this trade if we get it. Everything's kind of at, we need resistance under here and to stay under here so I can take sells. Then I think we'll come back to the low. For this, we only buys. Would have to come back under here for sells for me. Would probably have to break, pull back, and then we could sell that. I was looking at UJ, but there's crude oil stuff. Anytime I see that, it always gets weird. So I'm gonna try and stay away from USD for now.
This is a song about a very minor character from Rick and Morty. Are you serious? Here we go. On a distant planet populated by another race lives a six-pod cat who might slap you in the face. He's Gazorpazort field and he wants his enchiladas. Vitriolic rage, will you know he's
Yeah, GJ looks like it could continue up unless we get resistance here and then a lower low, lower high. This was support in Asian, so maybe kind of break and retest resistance, go back to the low. But yeah, I think that's possible because right there, 4 hour kind of broke. Top wick, maybe wick fill. But there's this pretty strong support, so we'll see what happens. So we broke the bearish candle, like I said. We got 3 higher lows, hourly, all bullish. Got some wicks to fill. So I'm anticipating that we, here, let me pull it up a little bigger. We got clean traffic here as well. I'm expecting us to push fill those wicks and then maybe get up to there. Maybe push even up to here. It's clean on the 30-minute too. 30 minutes got nice moves, so got these nice kind of rejection wicks to the downside, forming that support. 4 hours bullish. We kind of created that bottom wick now. Got a 4-hour wick to fill also. And now we broke above, so I'm expecting us to start moving up. Nope, I enter when we break highs or lows to candles. That's what I prefer to do. And then stop is below this previous 30-minute. It's only 6 pips. So if we do come down and this candle starts to flip and come down near this low, we'll minimize that. Not a good hourly close though. Got 2 minutes, we'll see. And yeah, if you're waiting on GJ, if we close bearish, looks like we're going to get a lower low, lower high, come down back to support there. We'll keep them both up.
This one's for every beautiful has-been. The loves of past, future, and my present, presented to me delicately pressed into a memory. I can feel the brush inside my mind, painting what one might look like lying on the sofa and another just plain lying, a previous me crying for lack of proper goodbye. And it's also for you, every person with has-beens.
Or are you going to be taking both, or is it one or the other?
Nope, I took EG, so, but we're going to watch GJ too. In case someone's only looking at GJ, we can hopefully provide some good assistance. But if EG doesn't go up, I would just expect us to range. Because we got these 3 high, with these 3 wicks kind of rejecting the lows. Pretty good, and now we're getting this higher high. I think we should be pushing those wicks and then push up a little bit.
It's fitting for a haunted house to have art that's beautifully tragic. If Scooby-Doo and crew rolled through my mind, I'd like to think they'd find themselves enthralled by the magic. Long before they ever saw the ghoul behind the facade, working my heartstrings and brain synapses at the same.
So we got 1 hour resistance here. I think if we can push up to there, we'll secure our first target and then leave the runner maybe for the wick fill. So if we get here, we'll stay a little before, get a little over 1-to-1, maybe a runner up to we closed above. Now ideally we should respect the low and start pushing up. If not, I think it's just going to range inside of probably these wicks and just kind of dick around in here. And for GJ, if it breaks that low, I think you're good to get in for sells. But this candle got to break that low for any further confirmation to come down, and it's got to respect the high too. So just something to look out for on GJ. Make sure it breaks that low first, because this 30-minute did technically still make a higher high and a higher low, regardless of closing bearish. So if it's going to come down further, it's going to break that low, and that would be good confirmation to continue down. Maybe put your stop loss above there or on the wick it creates if it does break the low. And same thing for EJ. If we're going up, we're going to respect that low, break the high, continue up.
Paul, when you wait for a break of a low or a high, do you take into consideration how long it takes? No. So if it does last 30 seconds, you'll still take it. But if it's just normal, it doesn't really matter.
Yep, no, if you see the mic is on push to talk, so if you see me talking, you don't hear the words. It's just random discussion, that's all. But if we start breaking above this wick here and getting near this wick, I'm going to move my stop loss up to the bottom of this current wick, just to, because if it breaks up to there and pulls back, then I'd be looking to get out. So we'll see how these 30 minutes form.
always wanted this kind of outro. Wishing I could go back and tell everything I now know to a younger me. Looking up at 23, feel that
Yeah, I mean, if GJ closes bullish and makes a higher high and a higher low, and none of these are broken, probably keep going up. But 4 hours bearish, 1 hour's bullish, 30 minutes bearish. So you start seeing lower lows, lower highs. That's gonna be good.
So instead, you'll do everything they say to do. You'll get a corporate job and make 100K out of school. The music still be working at it with your far from perfect habits.
You seem to be the only one worthy of a final test.
Yep, yeah, if GJ goes up, EJ will come down. I am fully aware. But price action right here looks like we're going up. So we will manage as we go. We got clean traffic, bunch of wicks rejecting to the downside, closing bullish, higher highs, higher lows. I would expect this one to follow suit up the clean traffic, at least get to that 1 hour resistance, and then maybe a direction change from there. But we'll see. What up, Gerge? Looks like UJ's trying to create some support. Maybe push up. EJ kind of creating resistance, but possible support here to finish moving up the clean traffic here. So if you're waiting on EJ, let's analyze real quick. So far we're bullish. Looks like the EMA is saying potential support here, but we're gonna look at the candles to find that. This is just kind of extra confluence, as they say. So I would say candle wise, potential support here if we start going bullish, higher highs, higher lows. Also was a little bit of support here, resistance here, so it could be a good area. 15, yeah, 15 is trying to create support down here too, which also would line up again a little bit to the left here and over here. So yeah, if we're going to keep coming up, we should not be breaking this low here. And then to see how these 30-minute candles form, if we go bullish, higher high, higher low, I think we'll finish pushing up to the target up here and tap that. Yeah, viewers growing slowly. Kind of just focus on the trading and get some quality trades, and the more we win, the more the views will come. But yes, good observation, Gerzat. Only you could observe that well in COD, man. You'd do so well. Alright, we got a chart. We'll pull this up. Who was that? Chris? You took a buy. Okay, nice. Bought support. Makes sense. Very nice. Yeah, that's a strong level right there. I had that marked as well. That's why I didn't want to sell there. I wanted to sell from up here. Nope. So trading view is just what you guys see on for the stream. I have my MT4 up on my screen to the right. Like GJ might be trying to come down. That's good. Oh, breaking the low. Yeah, if it breaks the low, I really think we are good to fall back down and just check the 1 hour. Yep, and then next low we'd have to break is the hourly to confirm that the hourly time frame is making lower lows, lower highs. 4 hour. Got a nice wick to come fill. Maybe we do a partial fill somewhere into here. Be aware of coming into the 139 area. Maybe look to secure a few pips above. Just in case it wicks down, rejects, makes a higher low on the 4 hour to then continue up. So just be aware of that. Daily is still bullish previous, and we do have a higher low with a higher high. So I think a 4 hour partial fill would be a good place to secure something if we're gonna keep pushing down. Morning streaming is much better. I like it a lot more. USD CHF. I think I just deleted that chart. I did, yes. It's doing perfect retest. Like right here. Yeah, we go bullish right there. You still got clean traffic up to here, at least for a wick fill there. 1 hour. Yeah. Definitely possible. Man, this thing will just not go. It's taking its sweet time. Yep, yeah, NY and NYSE have always been better sessions for me than Asian. Even way before the streams. Yep. Not doing what we want, but we'll watch it and manage it. Yep, same thing on GJ. If this closes like kind of like this, shouldn't be breaking this high. If it's continuing to come down. Just like here, if we break this low, the chance of continuing is going to be much, much lower. Not strong, but UJ was retracing. GU. Yeah, I don't know. Like UJ's coming down now. Potentially. Like it's got a wick to fill and clean traffic. Damn, staying in the frickin' range. Come on now. Well, GJ coming down. It makes sense for this to go up. Yeah, but EJ is coming down too now. Yep, if you took GJ, you can probably move your stop down to here. As if it starts, if this 10 minutes turns and reverses and breaks that high, again, probability is going to drop that continues. And once this one closes, it shouldn't break that anyway. If we're going to continue moving down nicely. Good to know. ECC. Good to know. Doesn't seem to be doing. Doesn't seem like it's done anything all session now. Now that I look at it a little better. Like all the time. Oh no, this was 5. Ooh. UJ's moving. Yeah, there's that 9:30 news in 7 minutes. GU's probably gonna start pumping as well. Sounds good, Gerge. We will check those out when you send them.
When you're doing your process improvement projects, you should follow this path. First you got define, then you got measure, then you analyze, then you improve, and then you gotta control your process. I know that you're on the grind. It's no good if you can't define.
Like EJ retraced a little bit. A lot of bit. Might get that support right there. But we still need higher highs, higher lows. So this one still made a lower high and a lower low as of now. You know, this setup here, especially with these 3 candles with those wicks to fill, I think this one might just be ranging. That's why we're not going anywhere. Because that's normally a beautiful, that's like one of my favorite entries, is breaks of those candles like that with the hourly in your direction, with the hourly wick to fill. This thing's just not moving. Yeah, for EG to continue, we gotta make higher highs again. We made one with these still higher lows, but there's no higher high right now to continue the move further at the moment. We'll see how the 30-minute closes. Yeah, if you want to, Foy, that's definitely not a bad idea. I'll be looking to minimize once we close in 2 minutes based on where we close.
So now you've finished and you've set the bar higher than the original.
Yeah, GJ could go up if it goes bullish and then makes higher highs, higher lows. Gets above this bearish wick and definitely could push up to that next little resistance, about 20 pips away.
Creative mind frame out here reminds you to back your data up, like when everybody freaked out when 99 turned to 2000. Yo, your camera hit a flash, yeah. You're bad, yeah. Put the pictures in the stash, yeah. They red, yeah. Till your phone done crash, yeah. You're mad, yeah. Now you about to spend some cash, yeah. You're sad, yeah. Your computer almost crashed, yeah. It's bad, yeah. And you spending more stacks, yeah. It's trash, yeah. It's a big time killer, yeah. No video when you go more poopy though, man. It's so stupid though. Got them flash drives and now you're mad hype. Let it be understood, it gon' be alright. My game going hard, yeah. Oh my lord, yeah. I got 5 backups, it's all stored, yeah. You can do these tricks with the USB sticks. One's for the photos and one's for the flicks.
Yep, exactly. The mill, exactly. All you can do. Not forming great doesn't mean it's not going to come down, but then you don't have to sit through any nonsense. And if it does go up, then you saved a full loss. Still got 30 minutes left in the hourly, so yeah, so if we're going up, we should not break that 30-minute low. Move the stop up minimized about 3 pips. So if we're going up, we should respect this low and break the high and go up. If not, we'll be coming to break the low. So damn, Gers, 5 trades, bro. Need to chill. Yeah, okay, fair. Yeah, I agree. I'm not taking Asian trades either, so you can get a little 1 or 2 extra in New York if it presents itself, but you gotta, I think 5 might be pushing it.
Just me. I can show you how to be real and be free. Take you to Hollywood heaven, baby. If you really wanna party with me, grab me ass, girl, you know what it is, baby. Put my hands where your eyes can see. I can see you standing in the lights with me, with no ego. Me and you against the world. No, for real, you look like one in a million. Come be my elite. I'll show you a place to me. I'll show you all of me. If you're loyal, girl, you inspire me to be.
I just closed EJ or EG. If it breaks the high, maybe we'll get in again, but this is just going sideways. I thought we were going to be moving, but that close above higher high did not take us anywhere, so closed it like 50%. If we break the highs, maybe again, but there it just hasn't gone anywhere yet, so rather just look at something else. Thank you for the subs. Appreciate it. Gonna see if we can find anything worth looking at. Maybe EJ. If we break here, then we get a new hourly high and we got clean traffic up. What's our stop gonna be? Gonna have a 7 pip stop. 8, 10 pip gain. Like we did form support right there. Yeah, I think if we break that hourly, clean. What up, Clay?
I'm a grown man, so I'm serious. But when it's time to game, I go delirious. Cause in the office, I gotta keep it calm. But in rivals, you gonna catch these palms. I rock set a burn, so don't test me. And those who do will get rock ready. No, you're not ready. How I fire these Flintstones, you'll get rock ready. Ha, you not deadly. You beating me, please hardly. And when you lose, you'll be like, the wrong one. Steve Harvey, get lit up again. Then you blame it on the paddles, cause I force burns MIB. Moving in shadows. Who's next? Bring 'em out, bring 'em out. It's hard to yell when my fist flames in your mouth. Come on, man, yo, I'll bury your face with strong attacks anywhere. Aerial ace. When it comes to fighting games like on roadway, better bring your A game, homie, I don't play. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, time for on roadway. When it comes to fighting games like on roadway, better bring your A game, homie, I don't play. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. On roadway. Sticks. Next one up. Are you sure you wanna challenge me? That confidence, your talent, it's nothing but a fallacy. For giggles, I'm picking Maple, but we know you're clinging to hope when your chances are freaking zero. Like how Pokemon Go players flock to parks, you're always on my radar. Watch your mark. LMAO when I'm laughing, it's hearty. Boy, sit yourself down. This ain't Mario Party. Riding waves like a King, bringing more pain. Zero wins your name, that's a sure thing. Call me Kissin' May with the puddle splash, no button mash, and I got airtime like a bubble blast. Harder than crag, straight absorbing rocks. Can't control me, Yobza, I'm unorthodox. Doubting that I'm good at this game, you must be credulous. Freeze before you say another word. When it comes to fighting games like on roadway, better bring your A game, homie, I don't play. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, time for on roadway. When it comes to fighting games like on roadway, better bring your A game, homie, I don't play. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. Grab your sticks, yeah. On roadway, sticks,
Just broke the hourly high, so I think the hourly can push up a little bit. 4 hour, maybe push a wick fill. Yep, stop loss on the current candle. Entry was above the hourly previous wick. The hourly's got higher highs, higher lows. 30-minute now has higher highs, higher lows, so we're gonna go up. We should go up. Wow, this thing is getting a little weird. David, as long as you know your risk and what you're risking overall or like combined, anywhere you think a good setup for adding a position would be, I think that would work. Oh, that turned real quick. That was quite the wick on the hourly. Wow. Okay. I guess I'm done. Fuck. Alrighty. So those candles are not respecting anything. Yeah, I'm done. That's it for me for the day. That was some dumb shit. Broke all the highs, clean traffic. Yeah. That is it. Maybe there's a play on GJ if we close under here, but that's it for me. Yeah, apparently. Yeah, no candle respect right now, apparently. That 15 looking like. Yeah. That's frustrating. Yeah, so EG ended up coming down. Maybe GJ keeps going up. I mean, I'm not happy about it. I'm pretty annoyed that candle highs and lows are just getting fucking dogged, but not much I can do about it. The plan usually works. Today the plan didn't work because, I mean, look at why would we expect that? We're moving bullish, higher highs, higher lows. That means we go up. 30-minute did that, confirming support over here. We're also bullish too. I mean, yeah, I was not expecting that because that thing was at the highs and then snap bearish. So I don't know what that was, but that I'm not happy about it. I mean, there's nothing I can do about it. That sucks. Kind of figures, but I mean, usually works. Today the 30-minute, that I don't know what the fuck that was. It didn't work, but not that I'm calm. I'm just, there's nothing to do about it. That's it. Trade didn't play out, and that's it. EJ buy is above 125,950. Yeah, well, when support's formed, price makes higher highs and higher lows, and that's what it did. Also doing it on the hourly. If you wait for the close, you could probably miss the move. If you're waiting for a close, then that's what you're waiting for. And obviously you can call it after it happens. No shit, it's pretty easy to do. I could just be like, oh yeah, I called GU sells this morning. Called it, I knew this was gonna happen. Anyone can say shit. Send a chart. Or go start your own live stream and then people can watch your ideas. Otherwise, you should probably just be quiet and leave. Thank you for tuning in, Mark. It was much appreciated. Again, be sure to dislike or like as you are escorted out of the stream. And have a lovely evening.
Yo, this song goes out to all you people obsessed right now with learning IoT, MQT,
Yeah, if GJ closes back under here, I'd come back down, but I'd fall back down to here. But coming into 10, might just be ranging. Looks like everything's kind of doing dumb shit right now. UJ's going up.
Except gold plummeting right now.
Yeah? Oh, so the dollar is kind of moving a little bit. Oh, look at now GU sells play out right after I get stepped out. Awesome.
I was just writing on the Zoom chat. I got whiffed out of that GJ trade. This is where my SL's like always like 1 to 2 pips. Like it's already beyond those previous wicks, and that current wick just goes and grabs me, kicks me out, and then goes right back to where I was. Yep. Insult to injury, as I was marking up my GJ chart, I've been waiting for gold to break 181 all morning, 1981 all morning. I missed it.
GJ's gonna come back down. Oh, my bad, Clay. We're gonna be ending soon anyway, so.
Chris, did that take you out? That took you out too, huh, Chris? Yeah, I had it 2 pips above that just to cover spread. Oh my god. All right.
Yeah, I mean, if you get support here, it'll be a nice move up. Yep, EG is going back up. Everything just had looks like every pair had a massive fuck yourself candle. And I broke all the highs and the lows. And then it would probably continue downward. EG will probably continue up. EJ will probably continue down. As long as we close bearish, unless it whips back up. But I think that the odds are better that it's gonna close bearish and then come down. Yeah, it did that candle on all 3 of my trades today, so that was real fun. I don't know. I think the crude oil news had something to do with it. That always tends to move it. Move USD. Pretty weird. Sometimes even GJ. That was 9:30. Yeah, maybe that's why we. Was it at 9 or 9:30? At 9:30. Yeah. So that might be why we got this kind of FU candle here.
Yeah, that wick out on me, Paul. That was at 9:37.
EG, I'm not going to re-enter because it is just going sideways. I don't like that. If I do anything, maybe GJ at an hourly low. EJ, not going to touch because no thank you. UJ is gone. Yeah, CJ, not a whole lot. GU fell right to target. Stopped me out first. Yeah, I sold it down here once we got underneath. Then 4-hour open. Then we continued. Yeah, maybe GJ if we close bearish, but might just throw a tiny bit at it and see if we can at least be right. For our close, it just makes a top wick. So on GU, it just made a bigger top wick than my stop. Took me out. So my entry was like right up in here. Stop was above this box. Wick went higher and then took me out and continued. Yeah, stop was just above the resistance here. Ended up coming above and then continuing back. So it was just 4 hour made a bigger top wick than this 30-minute resistance there. On the EJ, nothing. I'll take that trade every day on EJ. That candle was absolute fuckery. So, yeah, no. If it wouldn't have snapped so fast, I mean, this is moving way, this is way bigger than normal. Way stronger than normal, so I wonder if that's, yeah. Because of the time, London close, as well as that that crude news that tends to mess with those two. So yeah, I mean, that trade plays out most of the time. Unless we take it on stream, then it does not. But GJ looks like it's still coming down, just, yeah. What up, DK? It is okay. I'm gonna call it on the stream. If this breaks the low, probably keep coming down. So maybe something to look for on GJ, but I'm out.